Thiwa abalandeli bamakhosi bebekhona-ke lapha eNaturena behambise another memorandum ngoba sazi ukuthi bayihambisa-ke a few years ago, so sebephinde bayihambisa futhi again because they are not happy with how things are going at Kaizer Chiefs. Apparently they want the co-coaches gone, uKhalil noKhaze, they want them gone. They don't want them to even finish the season because they believe ukuthi ngeke bakwazi ukuba securela yona-ke i-top 3 because i-top 3 izobanika yona-ke i-CAF football. So kuthiwa-ke libe laphana-ke eNaturena bevinjwa yiyo-ke i-security laphaya bethi behambise yona-ke i-memorandum, but I think maybe bazogcina sebekwazile kuyihambisa because you know it's a peaceful match. Bafuna nje kuyonika-ke i-management bathi akahambe labo coach abawu-2 and they want a club legend, so bathi-ke noma ku-Dr. Khumalo noma u-Ace Khuse bathathe for the remainder of the season. So those 12 games that are remaining, they want a club legend ibe in charge and see ukuthi-ke ngababeka kuphi as they are looking to secure i-CAF spot. And ke kuzoba nzima-ke based on how they are playing ukuthi bathole yona-ke naleyo CAF spot. They will have to play really, really well. So yeah, let's see ukuthi-ke kuzowenza kanjani. But uKaizer Motaung Junior beku FM izolo washo ukuthi-ke next season definitely they will have a new coach, but ama-player, ama-fans, they don't want a coach next season. Bamfuna manje aqhubeke-ke the remaining games and bazame ukuthi basecure-ke le top 3 finish bazokwazi ukuthi badlale yona-ke CAF football next season. So let's see what's gonna happen in the next few days ukuthi ngamakhosi management azoyawalalela yena ama-fans abaxosheke labo coach abawu-2 anike i-club legend ukuthi ithatheke over for the remainder of the season.